You know when you first get your nails done, you just be like, sis, no sis. That's how I feel right now, because I'm just like, what's up with it?
I said I'm cool on it, baby, yeah. I'm straight. You say it's love, I don't want it, yeah. Too late, but you too much.
So yo, I'm just like upset a little bit because I could have still been in the bed, because this morning, right, what time did I wake up? I woke up like 7 this morning, and you know, Aunt Flo came to visit. It's that time of the month, so I'm like, I really want to stay in bed. Like, I don't even feel like getting up. So I'm up. I couldn't even go back to sleep, and tell me why. I just checked my email, and my nail tech emailed me saying she's going to be an hour late. So I could have been in the bed right now, but yet I could have like did my hair, because I was rushing out of the house. Like, I gotta go. I can't even do like style my hair, and the whole time she gonna be an hour late. Good thing my appointment is kind of late, because I actually have to I have to go to the bank, because she takes cash only. She will take card, but she prefers cash. Oh, wait a minute. Ouch. I feel like my nails are still a little weak, but they're better. I feel like I look crazy, but this bank run was just a mess. Oh my goodness. But I got this money, so that's all that matters, I guess. But so y'all know how I was ahead of schedule, right? Now I am behind schedule. So I wanted to go get my Starbucks. I always get a drink and a bagel, and I wanted to actually sit and be able to, you know, eat my bagel, but it looks like I'm about to have to be in a rush, so that's annoying. So I'm about to go to Starbucks now, and then we're gonna go get our nails done. Sis, can I tell you how excited I am? Sis, I'm excited to get my nails done. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of what I'm going for. Yeah, ain't playing today. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of the look that I'm going for, and then I'm gonna show y'all how, and well, y'all gonna see how my nails turn out, because my nail tech is the bomb. Like, whatever you ask for is what you're going to get. So it's cold outside, but it's hot in the car because the sun is just beaming. Okay, I'm good on gas. I got the cash. I'm crazy because I don't even use the app. Like, why don't I use the app? What is wrong with me? For real, I need to start using it. BK. I haven't been on this channel in forever. For y'all that's still watching my videos, I don't even know, like, thank you. I appreciate you, because I don't be on this channel. Oh my goodness. I might start uploading though, because sis, I have a lot of new subscribers on this channel too, so it's just like I need to start posting on this channel, because y'all not subscribing for nothing. I mean, unless y'all are, then I appreciate y'all. Most people are coming from my other channel, Nikita. So if you're not subscribed to that channel, Nikita, go ahead and subscribe to that channel, because I'm more active on that channel than I am on this one. But yeah, I'm about to start being active on this channel too. So yeah, Starbucks, and I got my bagel, of course. Look at this traffic. Where's everybody going? It is 1 o'clock, almost 1 o'clock, What is going on? So I made it to the nail salon. Late and on. There's been nails already. Before. You guys will see the process and the after.
Are you Nikita or Nikita?
Nikita. That's crazy.
Are you filming? Let me know when you're filming.
I'm filming right now. Do y'all nail tech nails be looking like this or no?
Do our nail techs nail?
I'm talking to them, the people.
Oh.
Be looking like how your nails look like. I like
They're
this side. I don't know what's going on over there.
Oh no. You don't want to know what's going on over there. It's not my work.
Yeah, I can tell. You're training somebody?
Not exactly. I won't say that on camera so I don't embarrass anybody.
Okay. So we're getting started with my nails. Pretty excited about it because it's been a while. Okay, when I tell you it's been a while, honey, I mean it's been a while. But
It's Ariani. I have Coochie on the phone. I am gonna do that first thing. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh, you're so awesome. Okay, thank you, Poochie.
who's Poochie?
Poochie's nails. Look her up. She's awesome.
I'm about to look it up. My nail tech just went to go put money in her meter because it's like this. She has this new salon and it's no parking, so you have to literally park in the street. So yeah, Poochie. How do you spell that? Poochie's nail.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
You're not gonna be. It's so quiet in here.
Yeah, I know.
You should like have some R&B hip hop blasting up in here.
Yeah, I should.
Let me show my inspo pics. So yeah, I like this color and I like that.
I like that, I like that, I like that. I like it. I always feel like an asshole because I have a bad attitude. Do you remember where I was gonna fight you and your sister?
She was like, "This is my house."
No, I did not say that.
you did.
You are such a liar.
Yes, you did. You was like,
oh
"You
my
guys are in
god.
my house." My goodness.
You are such a liar. You
No,
guys were ready
seriously.
to fight. You was pulling up your shirt.
No.
Natea too. Natea was feisty.
No, because Natea was so you was like you can only do one person's nails, 2 appointments, and then so I would have been able to get my nails done, but Natea wouldn't have got her nails done. So she was like, "Oh no, I need my nails done." Are these nails longer?
You want them long?
Yeah. But those look long. They wasn't.
Yeah, they're long. But you might want them longer, so I don't know.
Let me see what else you have. 444.
Claro. ¿Cómo no?
What is that?
Of course.
Nobody makes it on my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta sit by me. Soon
That is crazy. This is the color I'm going to be getting today. This shape is a bomb.
Really?
Yeah, in the color. I'm excited.
So remember that you like those tips.
Yeah. So y'all, these are my nails. Cute AF, honey. And here's the other side. All right, y'all, so I am done with my nails. I love them so much. My nail tech is the bomb beatski. Okay. So yeah, I'll leave her information like on the screen. You probably already seen it because I probably already put her name on the screen. But yeah, I love my nails. Thank you all for checking out this video. I'm probably just gonna end this vlog here, this nail vlog, because my nails are done. Like, what more do you need? Let me show y'all. My card's a mess, but let me show y'all one more time. And then this is the other hand. I was like, sis, hook me up with the Cardi B's. Give me the Cardi B's, period. It's like, no. But yeah, thank you all for watching this video. If y'all like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Period. My nails are bomb. They are bomb. They are period. Period. All right, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and head home. I'm so tired. I'm about to literally go home and take a nap. Well, it's 4:30, so I'm just get ready for bed, obviously, because when I get home, it's traffic. Oh my God. Y'all, time is not on my side because I'm about to be in traffic. I'm tired. Like, this is not about to be a good look. I'm gonna have to process this really quickly, so I'm gonna just process this and I'm be on my way home because I don't know. You know when you can first get your nails done, you just be like, sis. That's how I feel right now, because I'm just like, what's up with it? But I'm draining this ride home, but I will see you all in my next video. Bye.